Hi, this is Kelly Brown, and today we're going to look at date functions. If we look at the worksheet in front of us, we see there's a column with a first name, a last name, a date of birth, a month, a day, a year, and a month and day. So the idea is we have a date of birth here, and we want to extract just the month from the date of birth so that the month appears here. Then we only want the day of the date of birth to appear here. And here we only want the year of the date of birth to appear here. And here we want the month and the day separated by a backslash to appear here. So let's have some fun and see what we can do. Okay, so if I just wanted the month of this date of birth, what I could do is click in that cell and hit enter the equal sign. Oops, it's there twice. And then the word month, and then open parenthesis, then click in the cell that has the date that I want to reference, and close parenthesis. Then I hit enter, and it shows me 1 because the date of birth is 1, designating January. If I wanted to follow this down for it to apply to all the dates in that column, the date of birth column, I click in the cell that has the function that I used that worked. I click in the bottom right corner of that cell, wait till I see a plus symbol, and then double click with my left mouse button. And now that function will apply to all the dates that are in the date of birth column. You see August, 8 is here for August, 7 is here for July, 5 is here for May, and 4 is there for April. Okay? So similarly, if I wanted just to extract the day from the date of birth here, I would hit the enter key, type in the word day, click open parenthesis, click in the cell that has the date of birth that I want to reference, click close parenthesis, click enter, and then I see 18, which corresponds to the date of birth here, is also on day 18. If I click in cell that has the function I want to copy, go to the bottom right corner of that cell, wait till I see the plus symbol, and double click with my left mouse button. You will see that the day continues to correspond with the day that it was located in the date of birth. Okay, here if I just wanted to extract the year from the date of birth, again similarly, I'll click in the cell where I want the answer to appear, enter the equal sign, enter the word year, enter open parenthesis, click in the cell with the date of birth I want to reference, and click close parenthesis and hit the enter key. When I hit enter key, you see I have 2003, which corresponds to the date of birth 2003. If I want to copy it down, I click in the cell that has the answer or the formula I want to copy down, place my cursor in the bottom right corner of that cell, wait till it changes to a plus symbol, and then double click with my left mouse button, and then you will see that the years will copy down as well. So say if I wanted two pieces of that data to both appear in here, there's a function called CONCATENATE that will do that for you. It is a text function. I'm going to place my cursor in that cell, go up to the Formulas tab in the ribbon, look for the text categories for formulas and functions, and you'll see here a nice long word called concatenate. Nice long weird word. Click on concatenate, and you're just going to follow the step-by-steps in the argument box. It says text 1, which means what text do you want to appear first? And what we want to appear first is the month. So I'm going to click in the cell that has the month. And that's cell reference D2, and we see the value it came in was 1. So after that, the next piece of text that I want to appear is the backslash. So I could just type in the backslash, because that's what I want to appear next. And after the backslash, I want the day to appear. So I'm going to click in the cell that has the day. And when I look at my sample answer here, I see it's what I'm looking for. So I click OK, and there it goes. And I double click down, and here I have the month backslash day for all the dates of birth listed in this worksheet. And that's a sample of how to use some date formulas in Excel.